Hi guys, I'm looking at my ArcoLinux-nemesis script. I'm on the other machine on Endeavour OS, Cassini. I've installed ArcoLinux-nemesis, then I installed ArcoLinux tweak tool, then installed chadwm, which is my current love. And here we have an 130 install leftwm sh. So what I'm missing is an 140 install chw, and let's make a video how to script these things, right? How to think, how to reason, what's the workflow if you want to have a file like this, get me mate or get me bspwm or get me chadwm sh. So it's a file. Here's a function. The function is going to check, is it installed? If installed, say whatever. If it's not installed, then it's gonna say install it, no confirmation, no, and if it's already there, then it won't do anything, so needed, it just skips it. Leftwm is chdwm, and then of course this can't be true. There will be things that are not the same, will not be correct. Now there are two things to do. With the ArcoLinux tweak tool, we install it. So the list of packages is in there. With the ArcoLinux D, the list is there as well. So 2 ways to know what's going on. 3 ways, because there is also ArcoLinux so D and then GitHub. So this guy is something that's interesting. So let's just take a look and then decide which one we take. So chdwm, here it tells you how to install it, and the number 100 is the most important one. So here we have a list, get me SDM and so on, 200 and so on and so on. This is the major thing, of course. So this might be your Control-C thing. Okay, I need that. That's for sure. Okay, now let's do a save already. Next thing is that you think when these guys built their ISO, they have to tell it somewhere what package goes in there. So here it is, Arch ISO packages, all the way down. All the stuff that's for specific for these guys is here, right? So this is another list. Now we'll have doubles, that's for sure. So the sexy hotkey daemon is out. We've got that auto render was not in. Well, actually the best thing to do now is just take this file and sort lines. So the double guys are immediately spotted. That's it. Okay, number 3, we have this tweak tool, and that's actually another GitHub. So this one is gone, and here's the tweak. That's enough probably. ArcoLinux tweak tool, and in the user, in the share, in the tweak tool, in the desktop, and there are 2 desktops. We create one for Arch, bare minimum, and we create one from us, and that's gonna be beautifully themed with all the packages that we need, right? So this is another list. How do we install that? And now I can teach you some tips. And yes, if you can afford it, guys, support Sublime Text, because this is awesome, right? Wait, what I'm doing, shift to the left, right mouse click. So in here, now shift, right mouse click, drag downwards, and then here, backspace, backspace, right? Then you take one of, from here maybe, same thing, backspace, backspace. You've got a list, a nice list. Let's delete that and that. Okay, let's see. I'm sure I will have doubles, but that's no problem. Sort lines. So log out, you're out, or 62, you're out, 63, you're out, Rofi, yes please, root, sure, volume, wallpapers, not double, XFC, not double, D menu, once is enough. It's no problem if you install it twice. I mean, it's just a little bit longer, that's all it is. So if you see doubles in our scripts for the ISOs, it really doesn't matter, it just takes a little bit more time. It just installs it twice. You can install it 100 times, still have an ISO. So that's that. Why is this thing here? Control Z. Okay, gone, delete and delete. Save. Voila. And then with some common sense, you might do some other things that you say don't want that, do want that. So you put in here whatever you want. But this is what you've learned from these three sources. And now we have a script to install chadwm. And what I was missing on my Endeavour machine is this Alex appearance. So now I run this thing and I've got my setup the way I like it. All right, cheers.